Welcome to ASEAN MedTech Insights. Here is your update for the third week of January 2026. A major development is unfolding between two of ASEAN's key markets. Malaysia's Medical Device Authority and Thailand's FDA have officially confirmed the launch of their joint regulatory Reliance pilot program set to begin on February 1st. In theory, this is a game changer for medtech companies. The program's goal is to allow a medical device that has already been approved in one country to gain faster, streamlined registration in the other. This promises to slash review times, reduce administrative costs, and accelerate market access for manufacturers looking to establish a footprint in this 700 million person economic bloc. For companies, this means a single, well-prepared regulatory submission could unlock both markets simultaneously. However, the initial excitement is now meeting a wave of practical questions and unspoken complexities. The pilot is not a simple rubber stamp. Our sources indicate that the program will initially be limited to Class B and Class C devices, excluding higher-risk Class D products and novel technologies that lack established predicate devices. Furthermore, while the core technical dossier can be leveraged, Thailand's specific requirements for labeling, local clinical data justification, and risk management reporting still apply. A common misconception is that a dossier approved by Malaysia's MDA will pass through the Thai FDA without scrutiny. Consider the case of a digital blood pressure monitor manufacturer based in Europe. Their device received full approval in Malaysia last year. They anticipate using the Reliance pilot to enter Thailand. However, their Malaysian dossier included a risk analysis based on ISO 1471-2019. The Thai FDA, while accepting the standard, has recently put emphasis on post-market data from similar devices sold in the Asian market, a detail not explicitly required in their Malaysian submission. This small difference in documentary evidence can lead to questions and delays, pausing the fast-track process. True reliance requires a deep understanding of the subtle differences that remain between the two regulatory frameworks. The success of an application will depend on proactively identifying and closing these gaps before submission, not after. This pilot program represents a pivotal step towards ASEAN regulatory harmonization, but the path is paved with details. Navigating it requires more than just the initial approval document. It demands granular, on-the-ground expertise. To understand how these changes might impact your market access strategy, you can email or visit Chen-Global.